Buenos días, clase. Hoy es lunes 23 de marzo del 2020 y estamos aquí en la segunda semana de online learning. Hey, you guys, I really miss you a bunch, but you're doing a fantastic job of online learning. So let me see if I can get my PowerPoint here to work, and I'm going to just tell you a few things that are going on this week. Let's see, it doesn't want to work for me. Where do I want to go? Okay, here we go. Primero, una broma, a joke. ¿Por qué está triste el cuaderno de matemáticas? ¿Por qué? Porque tiene muchos problemas. Sí. I hope I made you smile. Maybe not. Dumb joke. Okay. Segundo, this week is Online Spirit Week, and so we're hoping that you're going to send us a lot of Spirit Week selfies. Be sure that when you send them hashtag RMS together. And today is pajama day. So all of us are wearing our comfy pajamas all day long. And if you're going to send some pictures that you kind of want maybe to go in the yearbook, you can also send them to the images.balfour.com. And otherwise, you can also send them, just attach them to an email to me on It's Learning. I'd love to see how you're doing. Okay. Tercero, tu agenda, your agenda for today. We're working on stem changing verbs. Today I want you to take a practice quiz over the meanings, and it's on It's Learning. It's not graded, and you'll have 4 attempts to do it. You can choose whether you want to use your notes. If you want to use your notes on the first time, maybe the second time not. Look over your notes, use your notes on the... Don't use your notes on the third time, however you want to do it, but I really want you to know the meanings of these verbs. So that's the first thing on your agenda. The second thing on your agenda is a STEM Challenging Verbs worksheet. Make sure you remember how to do STEM changes. Remember, you're going to go back to the second to the last verb in the infinitive, or second to the last noun in the infinitive, and you're going to change that vowel. If it's an E, it might go to an IE, or if it's an E, it might go to an I, or if it's an O, it'll go to a UE, or a U could be UE as well. So then check the answers with the PDF version of the PowerPoint that has the answers. Please check carefully. In this especially, it's important that you check your spelling, make sure you did the stem change to the correct vowel. And thirdly on your agendas is to practice the restaurant vocabulary, and I've put attached a link to a Quizlet on It's Learning on your task. So get all of those 3 things done today and you'll be ready to go. There is going to be a quiz on Thursday over STEM changing verbs, restaurant, and actually conjugating the verbs and knowing the meanings. So I have office hours every day now, for sure, from 1 to 3. You can probably get a hold of me via email almost any time of the day. I'm pretty much available, not going out and doing a lot, as you know. So get in touch with me, and if you've got something that you need to still get made up, please do that. And I am kind of keeping track of the ungraded stuff just to see if you're staying on track with everything we need to do. So please make sure you do all those things to make sure that you know what you need to know, because we'll be back to school soon and we'll be seeing each other and we'll be able to talk about all these things. So, para hoy, for today, adiós. Nos vemos mañana.